Social engineering. What is it? Social engineering is the art of manipulating people into giving up confidential information or performing actions that compromise security. In the world of cybersecurity, we often focus on firewalls, encryption, and complex technical controls. However, the weakest link in any security system is often the human element. Social engineering preys on our natural tendencies, trust, helpfulness, and fear, to gain access to sensitive information or systems. Social engineers are masters of manipulation, skilled at building rapport and trust to achieve their goals. They may impersonate authority figures, IT personnel, or even trusted vendors. Their tactics are designed to trick you into revealing confidential data, granting system access, or performing actions that compromise your organization's security. This video aims to equip you with the knowledge and awareness to identify and thwart social engineering attempts. By understanding the tactics and motivations behind these attacks, you can become an active defender of your organization's valuable assets. Remember, cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. By staying informed and vigilant, you can protect yourself and your organization from falling victim to these malicious schemes. Always remember to verify requests, think critically about the information you share, and report any suspicious activity to your security team.
Up next is authority, the power play. One of the most common social engineering tactics is to leverage authority. Attackers exploit our ingrained tendency to obey figures of authority, such as law enforcement officers, senior management, or IT personnel. They use this trust to extract information, gain access, or manipulate their targets into taking specific actions. For instance, an attacker might impersonate a senior executive in an email, requesting urgent access to confidential financial data. The email might appear legitimate, using the executive's name and title, and creating a sense of urgency to pressure the recipient into compliance. Another example involves attackers posing as IT support staff. They might contact employees, claiming to be conducting a system upgrade or security check. Under this pretense, they might request passwords, install malicious software, or trick employees into revealing sensitive data. It's crucial to remember that genuine authority figures will never pressure you into divulging confidential information or bypassing security protocols. Always verify requests through official channels, even if the request appears to come from a trusted source. If you receive a suspicious request, don't hesitate to contact the supposed authority figure directly using verified contact information, not the details provided in the suspicious communication.
Next tactic is intimidation, using fear as a weapon. Intimidation tactics rely on instilling fear or panic in the victim, coercing them into complying with the attacker's demands. They might threaten negative consequences such as legal action, job termination, or system failure if the victim fails to cooperate. Imagine receiving a phone call from someone claiming to be from a government agency. The caller might accuse you of being involved in illegal activity, threatening severe penalties unless you provide personal information or make a payment. Attackers might also pose as IT personnel, warning of a critical security breach on your computer. They might claim that urgent action is required to prevent data loss or system damage, pressuring you into granting them remote access or installing malicious software. Remember, legitimate organizations will never use threats or intimidation to extract information or demand immediate action. If you receive a suspicious communication that evokes fear or urgency, stay calm and don't engage. Disconnect the call, close the email, and report the incident to your security team immediately. They can help determine the legitimacy of the request and take appropriate action.
Another interesting trick is consensus, playing the numbers game. Social engineers often exploit our tendency to follow the crowd, leveraging the principle of social proof to manipulate their targets. They might claim that many others have already complied with their request, implying that it's safe and acceptable to do so. For example, an attacker might send phishing emails claiming that a large number of employees have already clicked on a malicious link or downloaded an infected attachment. This false sense of consensus can entice unsuspecting individuals to let their guard down and fall victim to the attack. In other cases, attackers might create fake social media profiles or websites, fabricating positive reviews or testimonials to promote malicious software or phishing scams. They might even infiltrate online forums or communities, posing as satisfied customers to lure unsuspecting victims. Always be wary of unsolicited emails or messages claiming widespread participation or endorsement. Verify information through official channels and rely on your judgment, not the actions of others. Remember, just because something appears popular or widely accepted online doesn't guarantee its legitimacy. Always prioritize your security and think critically before clicking on links, downloading attachments, or providing personal information.